Protein is an essential nutrient that plays a critical role in maintaining a healthy body and mind. This video tells you how important protein is to the human body. It is one of the building blocks of life, and it is essential for the growth, repair, and maintenance of tissues and organs throughout the body. From building muscle to supporting the immune system, protein is crucial for optimal health and well-being. According to Dr. Robert J. Wolfe, a professor of geriatrics at the University of Arkansas for Medical Sciences, protein is integral to every cell in the body. It makes up the structure of enzymes that digest food, antibodies that fight infections, and hemoglobin that carries oxygen in the blood. However, despite the importance of protein, many people fail to get enough of it in their diet. This can have a range of negative effects on the body, including muscle loss, weakened immune function, and even impaired mental function. Additionally, inadequate protein intake can lead to a range of health problems, including anemia, osteoporosis, and cardiovascular disease. So, how can you ensure you're getting enough protein in your diet? The good news is that there are plenty of healthy and delicious sources of protein to choose from. Lean meats, fish, eggs, and dairy products are all excellent sources of protein, as are plant-based options like beans, lentils, and quinoa. For those who struggle to get enough protein through their diet alone, protein supplements can be a convenient and effective solution. According to a study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition, protein supplements can help improve muscle mass and strength in older adults. However, it's important to choose protein supplements wisely, as some products can contain excessive amounts of sugar and other unhealthy additives. Look for high-quality protein powders that are free of artificial sweeteners and additives, and always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. In conclusion, protein is an essential nutrient that plays a critical role in maintaining optimal health and well-being. By prioritizing protein in your diet and incorporating healthy sources of protein into your meals, you can help ensure that your body is getting the nutrients it needs to thrive.